guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something special for you because soon it's my birthday and I made two presents to myself, which are two wigs. They arrived and I want to show you one of them today. This is what the wig looks like. It's really beautiful. I already opened it and I did film a video about it, but the sound was so bad that I decided to do it again. I ordered it off of Amazon, which I usually don't do, but I just wanted to try it out, honestly, and I thought for my birthday let's do something special. I do have the listing here. It's a 13 by 6 lace front wig, 28 inches, and the color is honey blonde. When the wig first arrived I was a little bit unsure about it because I expected a honey blonde wig, and when it got here I thought, oh, this looks a little bit more of the ginger type. But I already put it on and it's actually gorgeous. So let's talk about it. The first thing there is to this wig is obviously it's a lace front wig. Many people would probably install it, many people would glue it down. I personally, I'm wearing wigs for 9 years now. I don't really like to glue them down. I don't like what it does to my hair and I don't like what it does to my skin. I prefer using like a glueless method. Usually I just put them on as is, but there's also something else that's new. I heard about the mousse method and I ordered this product, which you guys probably already know. This is the product and the mousse I ordered. I've never used this before, so I'm extremely excited to try it out. It's supposed to work like that. You put it on the lace and then you put a band on it and then you let it set, and then it's supposed to not glue the wig down, but it's supposed to keep the lace like laid and almost melted. Let's look at it for a second because I haven't even opened it. It arrived today. I want to know what it smells like. Where I live, you can't just buy this in the drugstore, so that's why I had to order it. It cost me around 9 euros without shipping. Ooh, it smells interesting. It's funny because there's coconut in here, which I like coconut, and in my opinion it actually smells like a mix of a swimming pool cocktail and a pina colada cocktail, which I like. Yeah, I'm very excited to use this. When I use it, I'm probably gonna post about it so you can see how my experience with it is. It's probably not gonna be perfect the first time around, but I wanna get used to this because I like how that sounds. So when we look inside of the cap, we see that it has, as I said, the typical combs here with which you can clip it into the hair, then a thick band which also has these rubbery parts that like make it not slip that much, and there is a back lace at the neck, and obviously the 13 by 6 front lace. I don't think you have to bleach the knots here because the wig is light already. You could probably, but I'm not gonna do that. I never do that. Also, I'm not gonna pluck this wig. I'm not a wig plucker. I'm not, I'm a wig girly. As I said, I've been wearing wigs for a long time, but I'm not a typical wig girly. I'm not, as I said, I don't glue my wigs down, don't really bleach the knots, don't really do all that. So I'm not a wig goddess. I'm just a wig baddie, you know what I mean? Also, the wig came with these lashes. Nothing special, they're not that cute. I'm not gonna use them probably, but I mean, it's a nice touch. It did not come with a wig cap, which I don't mind because I don't wear wig caps at all. I don't use them, but I know many people do, so just so you know, when I ordered it, it did not come with a wig cap. What we will do next is try it on so you guys can see what it looks like on me. I'm just gonna prepare my hair how I usually prepare it, which is just 2 braids. I still have to learn some things. This is a journey that we can go together. We can learn how to be better. I started wearing wigs as a teenager, and I mean, you guys know it's a journey. For example, I don't know how to cornrow my hair yet. I would like to learn that someday. It doesn't really matter because, my hair is curly and everything, but it's not that thick. So I don't have that many problems like laying it down under the wig. The method I'm using right now, which are just 2 braids, usually works fine for me, doesn't bulk or anything. But I mean, in general, it would be nice to know how to do cornrows. That's one thing. What I've noticed about this hair is that it's really, really thick and heavy and dense, which is not necessarily a bad thing. I just wanted to notice that, like, of all of the wigs I've ever had, this is the heaviest one, which is, as I said, not necessarily bad, but yeah. Usually I put my wigs on like that. I put my hands into the cap and put it on from the back. I've seen online that people are doing a different method where they like put it over their head and attach the band in the back. And then flip it over. I've never done it like that. This is the first time. You guys just tried it out with me for the first time. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that from now on. I don't know why that would be better, but I like trying out new things. This is what the wig looks like right now. I really, really, really love the color. I think it suits me really well. It feels good, it feels flowy, it feels silky, it feels good. I am not sure how long it's gonna feel good because this is an affordable wig, so it wasn't that expensive. It's obviously synthetic, and everyone who wears wigs knows in the beginning they're really great, they're beautiful, they're silky, and then they get worse and worse and worse and start to get tangled and matted. I'm not sure how long this is gonna last, but the first impression is good. I would be extremely interested in how you guys do it. Do you glue down your wigs or do you not? And how do you do it if you do sports regularly, if you like go to the gym or anything and you glue down wigs? How does that work for you? And do you glue your wigs down yourself or do you get it done? Because when I was younger, I did have a phase where I glued it down. I started off with the got2b glue like everyone else, and I moved on to like the white glue that you put the dots and everything, like the ghost bond or whatever, and I had that phase, but I'm over it. So this is a close-up of the lace. Here you can see the wig could definitely be plugged. You could do a little bit of plugging here. So my final verdict is I really like this wig. I think it looks cute. It's long, it's soft. I like the color on me. I would buy it again. I'm gonna link it down below. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'm gonna obviously do more wig reviews. As I said, have another one here that I'm gonna upload soon. And if I get ones in the future, or if I try anything new with my hair, I would like to take you on with this journey, and I thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next one.